Hello viewers, are you experiencing Messenger message? This message is not available on this app version. Error problem? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all, go to settings. Just open settings. Now scroll down and find apps option. Now tap on apps option. Now find Messenger from this app list. Tap on Messenger apps. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Now go back. Tap on force stop. Now tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen. Now open Play Store. Tap on search bar and search for Messenger. Search Messenger. From here, update your Messenger apps if available any update version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After following all steps, now hopefully your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.